Hey, Dr. Gino here. If you have aches and pains and you've been apprehensive about going to a chiropractor, maybe we are your solution. Here at Piscitano Chiropractic Center, we bring high technology to an age-old art form known as chiropractic. So what does that mean? It means that we use technology like the ProAdjuster 360, which is a computerized adjusting instrument alternative to manual style adjustments. ProAdjuster 360 is very gentle enough for a baby. So if you've been thinking about going to the chiropractor, but we're apprehensive and afraid of the pain you might experience, we may be the solution.